Hello everyone and hello friend. Good evening. So now I'm in school and now usually I'm teaching now guys, but now I'm very tired and I'm change uh, so in classroom I don't teaching but uh, I'm common student or senior from my student for teaching guys. Hei, mana kelasmu? Hah? Kenapa di sana terus? Sana masuk kelas sana. Mama mama woi. Hei, mbei mama ham. Bagus. Awe wah. Siapa wali kelasnya? Ustaz. Ya sudah. Nanti saya kasih tahu aman aja. Ayo lanjut. Hah? Lihat mereka lihat. Sana udah masuk langsung sana. So guys, I look the student close from classroom guys, and I'm command two student for go to classroom. And now I'm very tired guys because today I'm go to Pijot and I'm come back to Moyot, go to Pijot, come back to Moyot, and I'm very tired, and so my body not good condition guys. So now in classroom I'm done teaching, but my student teaching by senior or in class Tahasus guys, because class Tahasus nothing teacher, so I'm command him for teaching in my class. So usually I'm start from 8 o'clock until 11 o'clock, but I'm finally to teaching in 10 and 30 o'clock because I'm tired for teaching and my student tired for listen me guys, because I'm teaching is not killer, but I'm like angry to student. So now after time dinia, maybe I just to sleep, because now my body condition is not good condition. And now alhamdulillah I can make the vlog because my body uh, because my body not not bad, but the condition not prima, not good, but I can make the vlog now, guys, and I hope in tomorrow my body is good condition for study and for middle test and order. So maybe now until finish to teaching, I don't teaching, guys, because student tahasus nothing teacher, and student tahasus I'm common to teaching in my class, and now I'm in front of my class. And now, but maybe now before I'm sleep, I wanna search in Google, search to novel, because my assignment not complete, and my assignment is reading the novel and search inti or core in the novel, guys. And now I wanna tell you about my story in Nike yesterday in Nike, because in yesterday in Nike I'm finished teaching in 10 and 30 o'clock, and after I'm teaching usually I sit with my friend, and usually I'm watching and scrolling TikTok and other, and usually I'm with my friend playing game, but in yesterday night I'm playing game one game, guys, because I'm tired, and I'm and after that in because my ustad or my teacher sit with me in yesterday night. I'm sit until 11:30 o'clock, and after that I'm go to my room, my bedroom, and because I'm sleepy and I wanna sleep, and now and after that I'm trying to sleep, but uh, I'm listen student not sleep, guys, in bedroom. So I'm look all sudden, and I see student two people uh, washing clothes in bathroom, and I see he tell he tell story with friend with him friend, guys, and I'm angry, guys, because I don't I don't can sleep, because speak student is loud, it's hike zone, guys. So I'm angry to all student because he don't listen my speak. So and next I'm hit all student, not all student, but student not sleep, guys. I hit and I'm angry to student, guys. And after that, alhamdulillah, student ready to prepare to sleep. And the next I'm come back to my room, and I'm trying to sleep. And alhamdulillah, I'm sleep in 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. o'clock, 1 a.m. o'clock. I'm sorry, guys. And after that, I'm sleep start from 1 a.m. o'clock until 5 a.m. o'clock, and I woke up in the morning in 5 a.m. and I done uh, but I done prayer subuh jamaah because I'm done woke up, and I woke up in 5 o'clock, 5 a.m. o'clock. So after I woke up, I'm washing my face, and after that I'm prayer subuh alone. And after that, because my body is very tired, I'm continue to sleep. Awas ente Robi, awas may keliaran malik jak totok badan. Awas ngelamang malik jak pantok doang. Siapa kelasmu? So next to my story, guys, because I'm very sleepy and I'm tired. Jam 9 because I'm very sleepy and my body is tired. I'm continue to sleep. I don't teaching in after subuh, guys. And I'm command to all my student in class to sleep. But before sleep, I'm command to all student to my student to reading the Holy Quran. And after that, until 6:30 a.m. o'clock, I'm common to all my students in class to bubar, guys. I don't know bubar in English, sorry. To bubar, and I'm next sleep, guys, and I'm sleep until 8 a.m. o'clock. And after I woke up, I see my phone. The time is 8 o'clock a.m. o'clock, and I just to bathroom for take a bath, and I'm prepare to campus. Okay, thank you so much for listen my story and watching my video, and I hope follow you as well. And thank you so much, and see you next time. Okay, bye bye.